all spruced up and ready for a new tenant. The Waimakariri District Council has recently renovated 2 of its pensioner housing units as part of a pilot scheme. It's more than just a lick of paint. The remodelled units boast new carpet, kitchens, laundries and double glazing throughout. Some even have dedicated parking and charging spots for mobility scooters.
Well, I think it's very impressive, and it's in modern colours, and it looks warm and inviting. It's really good to see this upgrade.
Not only are they more attractive, Jean Goodard from the council's property team says the newly improved units will save tenants money on their power bill and be healthier to live in.
We are really encouraging our residents to have healthier living, and with the insulation and all the functionality of the kitchen and everything, we hope that they'll have nicer living conditions, and you'd be proud to have anyone here.
These units are part of the council's pensioner housing facility in Kaiapui's Martin Place and were first built in the late 60s. They were due for a makeover, however originally only the kitchens were going to be replaced.
Because we needed the removal of asbestos, it was a good idea to do more than just the kitchen fit out, so that we could update all the insulation throughout, including double glazing and for windows and doors.
Modern building code requirements mean that the units require reinvestment if they are to remain safe and functional for the next 50 years. If the pilot scheme is successful and approved by council as part of the long-term plan, similar improvements will be rolled out for council pensioner housing district-wide. That would require a rental increase for tenants. However, this would largely be offset by government housing subsidies and reduced energy and medical bills.
We've got over 100 units across Woody End, Oxford, Rangiora and Kaiapui, and most of them are fairly old, and so refurbishing them and bringing them up to modern standards I think is very important for the residents.
Council will be considering the plan later this year, and if approved, the renovations will be rolled out over the next 5 to 10 years.